As cryptocurrency becomes more popular and the industry continues to grow, more and more people are bringing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins into their daily lives. The demand for using cryptocurrency in everyday spending is also increasing. From buying coffee and supermarket shopping to online payments, people want to easily complete transactions directly with crypto. To meet this need, TokenPocket has newly integrated the Wallet Connect Pay payment solution. Now, you can directly use stablecoins like USDC in your TokenPocket wallet to complete QR code payments, truly achieving convenient what you see is what you get spending. The entire process is secure and fast. The whole payment can be completed in just a few minutes, or even a few seconds. Got your TokenPocket wallet ready? Let's take a look at the complete operation process together. First, prepare the cryptocurrency you want to use for payment, and make sure your TokenPocket wallet has been updated to the latest version. At the checkout counter, the merchant will provide a Wallet Connect Pay QR code. Open TokenPocket, go to the asset page, click the scan button in the top right corner and scan the QR code. The first time you use it, you will need to complete a simple personal information verification. After that, you can scan and pay directly. After scanning, the wallet will pop up a confirmation screen showing payment amount, merchant name, and supported currencies. After carefully checking that all information is correct, click the Confirm button. After confirmation, wait a few seconds. Once the transaction is successful, the wallet will display a success prompt, and the merchant will receive the funds almost in real time. The entire process. Pay directly with stablecoins in your wallet. No need to convert to fiat, low fees, fast speed, and merchants receive funds in real time. Just as smooth and simple as using traditional QR code payments. Go try Wallet Connect Pay with TokenPocket now. And if you like this video, please like, save, and follow us. See you next time. Bye.